Hello and welcome to day 2 of Sigma Central Europe. This is Ginevra Fascelli from the Media Zone, and I'm delighted to welcome Benn Scott, which is the head of marketing at Bitpace. How are you, Ben?
I'm very well, thank you.
Amazing. So we're here at Sigma Central Europe 2025. What makes this event significant for your company?
Yeah, I mean, we attend a lot of Sigma events. The Sigma in Central Europe is especially busy for us. There are a lot of businesses that are actively seeking innovative payment solutions. The gaming industry itself is always looking for that next step above with technology. And we're speaking to a lot of businesses that are looking for that global expansion, trying to remain competitive, and crypto payment solutions is one of those methods at the moment that allows businesses to sort of grow in their geography and tackle the cross-border payment solutions that they're looking for at the moment.
Amazing. What challenges do you think companies face when integrating crypto payments in their business, and how should they overcome it?
Yeah, I mean, many businesses still deem crypto as quite complex and really high risk at the moment, when in fact it's the opposite right now. There's a lot of regulatory requirements on crypto payments especially, and that's enabling businesses to move forward in a compliant structure. Education is absolutely key, and part of what we do is transparency. We're very upfront on how that process works, how we can integrate with their current payment systems. And from day one working with Bitpace, they can get the ball rolling and offer their clients and customers another solution that's moving forward with the financial economy.
You talked about education. How can businesses concretely educate their customers to feel more confident with crypto as a payment option?
Yeah, absolutely. Education is key, and it's one of the most prominent things we're doing in the industry at the moment. Our clients, we advise them to just be transparent, be open. This is how the system works. This is what happens with the payment processes. What currencies do they offer? How does it impact them as a client? And people are quickly seeing that how straightforward it is. There's a lot more transparency in the payment itself with blockchain analysis. You can see from a point of view that that's where the economy is going. A lot of institutional clients are now getting on board with crypto, which is allowing, again, that public trust. So it's just be honest and open and transparent with the systems and why they're using it, and the benefits. Explain the benefits of why they're integrating crypto payments.
Yeah, explaining the benefits is always key.
Yeah.
How important is it for business nowadays to offer multi-currency options, including crypto and fiat money, in the global market that, as you said, it's moving towards this change?
Yeah, I mean, it's not just important, it's critical to remain competitive in this landscape. Crypto, stablecoin payments, blockchain technology is coming, and it's coming at a fast pace, and any businesses that don't get on board are going to be quickly left behind. But again, it's down to operating with a licensed and trusted partner, because there are unfortunately still some bad actors out there at the moment that don't comply with KYC and compliance regulations and offer a quick way through. It's absolutely imperative that businesses work with licensed operators and build that public trust in what their own infrastructure looks like and how their payments can affect their customers.
You kind of anticipated my last question, but we can delve deeper inside it, because we were going to talk about the regulative scrutiny that is now on crypto, and what should your businesses know to stay compliant and, of course, build the trust you were talking about with the clients.
Yeah. No, absolutely true. I mean, I think it's a good sign that there is scrutiny around the regulation, because it means that the industry, gaming and crypto itself, is maturing now. It's absolutely vital that clients and businesses keep up to date with the regulatory requirements, especially if you look at MICA in Europe now. It sets a clear precedent for businesses and how to operate. It's just paving the way for opportunities to allow businesses to continue growth. But again, businesses need to operate with similar companies that are up to date with compliance and regulatory standards. Like Bitpace ourselves, compliance is at our core. We operate with strict regulatory confinements. We operate with AML laws, KYC frameworks again. So it's absolutely key that businesses need to follow that standard and operate with licensed and operators.
Thank you very much, Ben, for sharing your insights with us.
Thank you.
This was all from Sigma Central Europe Media Zone. This was Ginevra Fascelli, and it was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much.